Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to recharge your phone with PayPal or a bank card online. Recharging your mobile phone online is quick and convenient. Most mobile carriers and trusted recharge websites let you top up your prepaid balance using PayPal, a debit card, or a credit card. Before you begin, make sure you know your mobile number, your carrier, and have enough funds available in your PayPal account or on your bank card. Now let's get started. First, open your mobile carrier's website or a trusted online mobile recharge service. Now sign into your account if required. Then select Mobile Recharge, Top Up, or Recharge. Here, enter the phone number you want to recharge. Next, select your mobile carrier if it isn't detected automatically. Then choose the recharge amount or plan you want to purchase. Now review the recharge details carefully. After that, proceed to the payment page. If you want to pay with PayPal, select PayPal as your payment method. Then sign into your PayPal account. Now review the payment details and confirm the transaction. If you want to pay with a bank card, select debit card or credit card. Then enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing information. After that, review the payment details. Now confirm the payment. If your bank requires additional security verification, complete the verification process. Once the payment is successful, wait for the confirmation message. Then check your phone to make sure the recharge has been added to your balance. You may also receive a confirmation email or receipt from the recharge service. If the balance doesn't appear immediately, wait a few minutes and then contact your mobile carrier or the recharge provider if needed. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.